This weekend, we went where real nature begins. Camping near Waterton Lakes National Park mountains. Silence, freedom. Sometimes all you need is to leave the city behind. Our journey is 200 kilometers. There will be many roads ahead, but beauty surrounds us everywhere. We'd love for you to immerse yourself in this journey with us. This is truly wild, untouched nature. Here you can encounter coyotes, foxes, bears, and many other species of wildlife. But for us, it's something even more special, a place to simply be together as a family. On the first day, we simply set up our campsite, prepare our sleeping areas, and take in the beauty of nature. In the morning, we have breakfast by the campfire and enjoy the sounds of nature. Well, and the sound of our kids yelling too.
Амель, так шоколадку в руке не держи. Амель, ты не можешь с девочками, только взрослым разрешают.
Марк, нет, ты не умеешь.
Then we love going hiking, exploring new places, swimming in the river, and climbing to the tops of some pretty high hills. In the evening, we head out for another hike, this time into a more wooded area.
Они даже парни. Я уже поженился. Я уже готов жениться. На Лоре? Нет. А у меня все в процессе. Нет. Маша, что с горы упала. Главное, что не светит не было. У него шишка сломана.
And later, we love spending time together by the campfire. Today, we're planning to visit Waterton Lakes National Park. It's not far from us right now, about 50 kilometers away. But the views are so breathtaking that those 50 kilometers just fly by. A major wildfire, the Kano wildfire, occurred in September 2017 in Waterton Lakes National Park. The fire started on August 30th and spread into the park on September 11th, burning about 39% of its territory. Although nature is gradually recovering, the scale of the damage is still visible.
Wait, what is this fruit?
We're heading back to our campsite to pack up our things and return home by the evening. Thank you for being with us. In this video, we simply wanted to share our weekend with you. Next time, we'll show even more details and interesting moments. Please give this video a like and leave a comment. Wishing everyone peace and love. See you soon.